This muscle is the semitendinosus. It's part of the hamstring group, so back of the leg. And we're looking a little bit more of the middle portion and the inner portion of the back of the leg. The origin for the semitendinosus is the ischial tuberosity, I like to call it the butt bone, then also the sacrotuberous ligament. Insertion point is going to be on the inner portion of that lower leg, right into here. And from the front side, tibial tuberosity, that bumpy part right at the top of the shin here, it's going to be on the medial portion, the inner portion surface of the tibial tuberosity. Actions for the semitendinosus: hip extension, so think deadlift and extending at the top. Also, it's going to stabilize the hip, and knee flexion and internal rotation. When thinking of actions, I like to think of what exercise would you do at the gym. So deadlifts to work the back of the legs here, hip extension, one of the actions, and then if you want to isolate the hamstrings at the gym, leg curls are always a good option. So a very easy way to figure that out, and that is the muscle semitendinosus.